Right, I'm going to tell you why this set of 12 dinosaurs with accompanying soundbook is an absolute must-have for any parents with children who love their dinosaurs. Let's check it out. All right, so it comes in the box, and here are the dinosaurs. Now, obviously, dinosaurs such as this are very, very common, but these are really good quality. They've got lots of detail, nice coloration. I've managed to round up most of them. I must confess some of them are still in the field, as our young dinosaur expert puts them who knows where. But these are all part of the set. As you can see, there's some fantastic colours. Look at this Parasaurolophus. Lovely coloration on that, good detail, and that goes for all of them. Okay, we've got an Apatosaurus here, similar colours. Some funky coloured ones here, Pachycephalosaurus in this kind of purple. Okay, so here is our herd. The only one I haven't been able to round up is the Allosaurus. But what comes with the book, with the set as well, is the soundbook, which is really, really cool. Really good detail, nice illustrations, just some bite-sized information about the dinosaurs. And of course, for every picture, there is obviously an accompanying toy. So for example, we've got this Monoclonius, which is obviously some kind of Triceratops-like dinosaur. Here he is, but then also Monoclonius. So we've got the pronunciation and an imagination of what the animal's call may have been. Really, really high quality. Yeah, as I say, just ideal bite-sized bits of information, perfect for young dinosaur enthusiasts without too much. The only thing I would kind of comment is some of the dinosaur choices are a little bit obscure. For example, Monoclonius. We do have Triceratops as well, but Monoclonius is kind of fairly obscure. Not many people, I imagine, would know about that one. I wouldn't have said it had been the one to open the book with, but we do have a lot of the classics. You know, we've got your Stegosaurus, Parasaurolophus, we've of course got T-Rex, Spinosaurus, excellent stuff. We all love Spinosaurus, Diplodocus. But yes, as you can see, it's quite common to get these sets of dinosaur toys. You can get them everywhere. To get the accompanying soundbook, which is of really high quality, I think makes for an excellent combination. Before we sign off, we'll just give a few more sort of examples. Spinosaurus. There's Spinosaurus there at the end. And who else we've got, of course got here from T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus. Good quality sounds as well, however they've been made. So yeah, the only downside is, say, some of the dinosaur choices are a little bit obscure, but other than that, I think this is a wonderful little package and I'd highly recommend it. Go and grab it.